So what can I say so far about this vehicle? It looks really good. It seems like it's going to perform very well. It comes with extra parts that I've never seen before, and it's really cool that they do that. And it is ready to run out of the box with charger and everything, the remote. So what can you say? It does, as Kevin Talbot says, it's incredibly epic, unbelievably epic. I don't know, something like that. I don't want to plagiarize. Anyway, I think it's awesome. So, yeah, we'll see how it runs. We'll put it to the test, make it go and jump off the Marco pizza ramp, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Likey.